Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, turn off the breaker or the fixture switch and confirm the light is cold. Once done, position your ladder safely and put on gloves. This protects both you and the bulb. Make sure you have the correct Gu10 replacement and a clean cloth nearby to handle the glass. You do not need to remove the whole fixture. Focus on access. Now climb steady, test the switches off, and get your hand ready to grip the bulb at the base. You now remove the old Gu10. Support the bulb base, push in slightly, then twist anti-clockwise until the pins disengage. Be deliberate. If it resists, stop and check for clips or a trim ring holding it. Once free, lower the bulb straight out. Avoid yanking, which stresses the socket. Take a close look inside the fitting for corrosion or loose wires. If you see problems, make a note. Repair before fitting the new bulb so you don't create a hazard. To install, align the new Gu10 pins with the socket, push in gently and turn clockwise until it locks. Once seated, lower your ladder, restore power at the breaker, and switch on to test. Make sure the bulb type matches the fixture and dimmer compatibility if used. If the light flickers, turns off, or won't light, turn power back off and reseat the bulb. Check the breaker and socket condition. If issues persist, try a known good bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.